Good morning friends, myself Professor Dhavalchand Dharana, and we are continue on unit number 5, Introductions of Cybercrime Investigation of Cybersecurity subject. As previously we will discuss what is a Trojan, or we can say Trojaners, what are the different activity if a Trojan will be affected our computer system, how to protect our computer system against a Trojans, and what are the different example which we have studied in our previous lecture. In the previous all the three lectures like viruses, worms and Trojan, all the three things which is known as a malicious software. Now I think you are clear about some basic thing about viruses, worms and Trojan. So guys, today we will discuss some another and interesting topic of a backdoor. At name suggests that it is a backdoor, means a hacker will be accessed through the backdoor points to access our personal data, our computer system, our network as well as our operating system, and check what are the different activity will be done in within the particular computer system. So guys, we will start with the backdoors. A backdoor refers to any method by which authorized and unauthorized user are able to get around a normal security measures and gain high level user access on a computer system, network or a software applications. As a first line says that a backdoor refers to any method by which authorized and unauthorized users. I just focus on two things, authorized as well as unauthorized users, because a backdoor it is also useful if you are a positive hackers, or we can say a white hackers. Then also you can develop some of the software. If you are a black hat hackers, means a negative hackers, then also we can use these kind of techniques. If you are a positive or white hacker, then through the backdoors you can develop some additional security against this particular software. First we found different vulnerability which is available in particular software. Through the backdoor we can easily find those kind of mistake and we need to overcome with the latest update. And if you are a legal hackers, then through this you can easily update your software version. And if you are an illegal user or not a legitimate authorized users, then through the backdoor you can access our computer system, network information as well as private data. So backdoor it is used for the authorized and unauthorized users. In the world of cybersecurity, a backdoor refers to any method by which authorized and unauthorized user are able to get around a normal security measurement and gain high level user access on a computer system, network or a software applications. Means in the cybersecurity world, backdoor refers any method by which unauthorized and authorized user can able to get around a normal security measurement, because the actual concept about backdoor to find a vulnerability of a particular software as well as a network application. Once they are in, cyber criminal can be use a backdoor to steal a personal and financial data, install additional malware and hijack the device. Because now you know that the three things through which a cyber criminal can earn the money. If they getting some personal and financial data, second thing, install additional malware through which they can damage our data, and the third thing, they just hijack or they can control our computer system through the remote server. So all the three things it should be happen within this backdoor. But the backdoor are just for a bad guys. Backdoors can also be installed by the software or the hardware makes a deliberately meaning of gaining access to their technology after the fact. Deliberately means it should be required to access without any kind of permission of a computer system, or we can say that some unknown user access our computer data without any kind of permissions. Backdoors of the non-criminal varieties are useful for helping a customers who are hopelessly locked out of the device, or for the troubleshooting and resolving software issue. As previously we know that backdoor is used for the legitimate users, legal users, as well as not legitimate user or illegal users. Because if you are legitimate and some trouble will be happen within the organization system, we can use with the backdoor technique, we getting our actual data. But if you are not a legitimate, it means that some organization's computer will be hacked through this backdoor. As a figure mentions that attacker sends a backdoor to a targeted system, means they target some of the system to find out a backdoor. Once install the backdoor, check which port is allowed to access a CC servers. CC means corporate companies servers. If they found that some of the port number is open and through which they can directly access a server, so they can just find the open ports number and install some of the services through which they can easily access the server. So it is just the case that how a backdoor will be work. Now, how do a backdoor work? If some hacker will be install a backdoor in a particular system, then how it's work? The backdoor attack is a type of malware that is used to get unauthorized access to a websites by the cyber criminals. As we know that it is just the things that unauthorized access of websites. The cyber criminals spreads the malware in the system through unsecured point of entry. Means a cyber criminal find out those kind of points through which we can easily penetrate a computer system as well as a server, such as outdated plugins or input fields. As previously we says that if some outdated software is installed in our computer system, so they can easily access our data through outdated software. The malware is entered in the system through the backdoor and it make it way to the company's sensitive data, including the customer personal identifiability informations. If somehow some hacker can access company's data in the company, there are lots of private and secure companies information as well as some employees personal information. So if they can hack a computer system of any of the companies, they can getting a two benefits. First, they can getting a data of a organization as well as they can get a personal information about his or her employee, and they can directly misuse of those kind of data. Backdoor attacks have been increased in the last 2 years as a problem is getting worse and detecting it becomes a more difficult. In the last 2 years, there are more backdoor attacks should be happen, and it should be more difficult to detecting, because nowadays if you are install a latest security on your computer system, hacker are also a smart way to access or crack a latest security. So it should be very difficult to detecting a backdoor. Cyber criminals are use a different new techniques and strength of a malware that can be bypass a malware scanners easily without detections. So that's why we can say that a backdoor is very difficult to detect. Now, if our system will be affected by the backdoor, or if some hacker can access without our informations, our priority, without any kind of knowledge, so how to prevent a backdoor attack? The best line of defense against the backdoor malware for any website owner is website scanner that can mitigate a malware, patch vulnerabilities, and alert the administrator to potential security threats. In short, this particular line says that if you want to protect your websites against the backdoor, you find as much as possible vulnerabilities to reduce those kind of vulnerabilities with the latest code, and if somehow the attack will be performed on those websites, we provide some code through which we can provide the alerts to an administrator. So administrator known about these kind of alerts through which they know that some of unauthorized users can access our websites. It is best way to prevent a backdoor attack to provide an alert against unauthorized access, because cyber criminals are creating a new malware. As a previously we says that if we are installing a latest one, hacker will install a latest technology through which they can crack our latest software, especially to the bypasser scanner. You need to ensure a cyber security. Partners performs adequate research to detect and review a new type of malware on a regular basis. In short, we need to update regularly our computer system, our operating system, our antiviruses, and as much as possible your software which should be installed and working on a system. In addition to a website scanner, you should install a web applications firewall to protect the perimeters of your websites by keeping bad actors at bay. Means, as a first line, if you want to protect a website against unauthorized users, or we can say a backdoor, we install web applications firewall through which they can protect a backdoors attack. Now next thing, what to do if you suspect a backdoor attack? Means, what are the different things we need to remember that if a suspect will be attacked on a computer system through the backdoor. Review the logs in the website scanner to identify any files that are constantly being removed. As we know that if we are maintain a log file, in a log file it should be every activity should be registered within the log file. So whenever we found some unknown activity should be happen within the websites through log file, we can easily found that. Ask your cyber security vendors or IT team to review the site access logs for anything out of the ordinarity. Means, if we provide a website within this particular organization, if outside of organization will be accessed or try to access a particular websites, so IT teams will be directly reject those kind of accesses. Audit the CMS and uninstall any updated plugins, taking care of remove the files from the file manager. CMS is not provide a just logs against all the activity which should be happen through the backdoors. Means it is unauthorized activity. So through which we can easily found that what kind of activity will be done with the authorized users and what kind of activity will be done by the unauthorized users. Update all the plugins and themes on the websites, or else reinstall core file to your CMS. The full form of CMS, it is nothing but a content management system. Content management system is nothing but Whenever we create a website through the CMS, we just drag and drop. We not write any kind of code. We are using, or we can say that we are reusing the plugins, themes, folder structures which will be provided by the IT experts. You can download a new copy of your CMS by going to WordPress or Drupal sites and downloading all your files. In short, we can say that whatever we are downloading in our computer system, we just remember that it should be a trusted one, or we can say trustedful. If we are downloading any of the data from the trusted site, they provide the surety against those kind of attack. And the last, keep an offsites backup of the sites that confirm to be free of backdoors. Last thing, it is a compulsory for the IT industry people that if you are build something, you must take a backup, because a hacker is very intelligent, very smart. If we are updating so many things, then also they perform the attack. So if we have take a regular backup, so if our data should be affected by the hackers, we can directly replace it. So guys, this is the basic things which we need to know about backdoors and different things of backdoor. I hope you are clear. I hope you are likes, and I hope you are understand about basic things about a backdoor. Thank you so much.